I'm going to be showing you how to remove an ad blocker in Google Chrome. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So the first thing you can do is open your Google Chrome. So once you're in your browser, you need to navigate to extensions. So ad blockers are mostly downloaded and added through extensions. So all you need to do to remove ad blocker is to remove that extension. You can find those extensions right here. Just go ahead and tap here and you can find all the extensions you have. Or you can go to the top right where you can see the three-dot button. And now you need to tap on extensions and tap on manage extensions. Just find your ad blocker just right here and just disable it. Or you can just tap on remove and remove the ad blocker altogether. So this is the option. Just go ahead and tap here. And in this way you can successfully block an ad blocker in Google Chrome. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.